off the rip, the material feels really, really good. That is all in Chinese. I can't read that, so let's check this bad boy out. What's going on, everybody? I'm Jeff Robe, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hey, how you doing? Today, I got a Jeff Robe first for us. We're gonna be checking out a custom embroidered sweatshirt. I actually got it for my mom, but Christmas is around the corner, or if you got, kids in college, you need to brand some towels. They do sweatshirts, jewelry, the whole nine. I'm gonna put some screenshots up. All the information for TOS Custom is gonna be down in the description. And, I expected it to kind of take a little bit of time, but from the time that I sent in what I wanted, I had it within a week. So if you're needing it, quick, you can get it quick. But if you got your own business, if you got, anything that you like that you can't really get at the stores, or you have your own special logos, if you're an artist, you can put the logos on the clothes and just kind of customize just about anything. T-shirts, sweatshirts, they got hoodies. But yeah, let's go ahead, get this package up here. I'm pretty excited to open this. I'm curious to see how it turned out. And I'll kind of talk about what I did, why I did it when I'm opening it. But it came in this nice little package here. Came by USPS, and I got it, like I said, after I submitted my order, they got it to me really, really, really quick. So let's see. Yeah, don't even need the scissors. Ooh. All right, let's check this bad boy out. So, off the rip, I got this green one with this little mushroom guy on it. Look at that guy. Super cool. And then I got my mom this baby blue one, and let's start with that one. That's how you know you're getting fancy, when you got like custom embroidered towels and stuff in your house. I don't know, it just looks cool. Especially if you're in college or something, you got kids in college and they live in a communal environment, stuff tends to go missing all the time. But if your name is etched into it, then of course it's gonna be a little bit easier to notice if someone took what was yours. But off the rip, the material feels really, really good. That is all in Chinese. I can't read that, so let's check this bad boy out. So, doesn't have too much weight to it, but it kind of like an athletic, over the top sweatshirt. And then if you see right here, I got Excalibur embroidered, which is my mom's company. She's actually a histologist and does work for all types of major universities. She's a pretty certified badass, if I say so myself. I've learned a lot from her. She's probably the smartest woman I've ever met. But can't complain here at all. It's looking really, really good. This thing is super soft. That's one thing, just off the rip, I'm noticing it's very, very, very soft. Let's see if there's another tag inside of here. Nope. But then I also, on the sleeve, I think it's on the left sleeve, yeah, I got eye to eye on there because she specializes in eyeballs. So companies will, usually mice and stuff like that, when they're doing research, they'll inject the disease into the mice, and then they'll inject their fix-all cure serum that they're working on. And then they extract the eye and they put it in a little vial about this big, and they send it to my mom. And then she puts it in a little wax paraffin cube, and she's got a machine with a crank and a razor blade, and it cuts that wax to like paper thin sheets. And then take the sheets, put it in the water bath, it melts away the wax, and then you take a glass slide, scoop up the tissue, and then she's got her own little special stain station, so she stains it and then sends it back to them, and that's what they look at under the microscope to see if their fix or serum or whatever they're working on worked. So I got eye to eye on the sleeve, and then I got her Excalibur logo right there on the collar. But man, yeah, the quality of this is really, really nice. Not too much give on this, so it's not gonna shrink. I mean, and I really love the color too. It's a really, really pretty blue. Yeah, I'm super excited about this. Nice. I'm sure she's gonna love it. Her birthday is actually on Christmas. Let me know if I got any Christmas birthdays out there watching the video. Thanksgiving's coming up as well, so hopefully everyone's gonna spend some time with their family. And especially if you've been watching my videos, you know, you've been saving some money. You could tell them about Jeff Robe 2 at your Thanksgiving dinner. Help them save some money too. Let's check out this other one. Feels the exact same, except this one is just gonna be in green. And then I got this one in the XL for me, but it's just got this little trippy mushroom guy on there, so it looks super sick. Let me see, tag is the same. Let's check out the inside, that's one thing. So it's almost like a silk. It's really nice. Man, I'm loving these. These are super cool. And they have all types of colors too. So if you want, you know, if you don't want green or blue, they have literally every color under the sun so that you can pick whatever you want. And then I got Jeff Robe right here on the sleeve in gold, because green and gold looks really good. I'm a big fan of green. I'm pretty sure I've talked about that before. I kind of like green and orange, and then I wear a lot of all black, so if I want to throw in something orange or green, it kind of slides right in with that. But overall, I am highly, highly impressed. Man, these things are cool. And it's like, I mean, that's in there. It's like literally stitched in there. It's not screen printed, it's not pressed. They're literally going to thread and needle the logo into there. So if you're someone that's starting your own business or you've had your own business for a while, these are really nice. And if you need some custom stuff, check out TOS Customs. You're probably going to like what you get. And it's actually really, really affordable. I think these were under 40 bucks, to be honest with you. And God, I can't get over how nice and soft these are. I'm really impressed. Wow. So yeah, not too much else to go over there. Nice short and sweet video. Hopefully everyone's having a good day. Today is Saturday. I've been hanging out. Just ate some steak and egg burritos and hung out with the dog. Of course, the dog's gonna get some eggs too. I spoiled the absolute hell out of her, but she's about 2 years old now. She's getting big. I do have some other stuff on the way. I got a whole nother haul from JK on the way. There's been lots of new people join over at the Discord. If you're not in the Discord, make sure you're over there. And then, like I said, all the information for TOS Customs is gonna be down in the description. So yeah, I'm Jeff Robe. Thanks for tuning in today, and I'll see you guys next time when I got some more stuff for you.
That's it right after the body. Pull up in the shawty with the shawty. I think the boys moving the body.